Hello?
Well, congratulations. We got a deal. $195. We got her.
How your property has like the two separate lots. Right now, we live on a property that's getting ready to be developed commercially, and we kind of have that same setup as your setup. So why are you selling, if I can ask?
You know, I got a kid coming. This is it's actually a buddy of mine, knew the lady. It was full of all her belongings, not her belongings, just stuff.
Yeah.
So we actually cleaned it out, cleaned out the garage. The garage needs work. Someone lived there, started doing some of the work, remodeling the bathroom in the garage.
Yeah.
It stopped. So that is kind of all at a fault in there. So we pretty much just cleaned everything out.
Gotcha.
Like I said, she was living in the house. She wasn't living upstairs, so the upstairs kind of untouched.
Okay.
But like it's got the newer kitchen, newer main bathroom, laundry, one bedroom on the main level, newer carpet. So if you want to come look at it, you're more than welcome to. I can meet you there today.
What time do you have on your hands today available?
I can go right now if you want.
Let's go right now.
Sounds good to see you then.
All right, take care. Bye. We got another potential. Not getting any hopes up or anything like that. I'm gonna stay even keel, but this is a pretty similar. Lauren's behind the camera like. It seems like it could be the right thing. Lauren loves it. I love it, and it has the same. We'll just show you guys. Let's get over there. Ow!
Gosh.
Okay, that's the basement.
Jeez.
Whoa.
Oh look, are we surprised?
Carpet in the bathroom.
Oh
You love to see it, folks.
There's skylights, you guys.
Skylights are the sickest.
And then this, we could just have it blocked off because I wouldn't want that open anyway.
Yeah.
So like this would still be ours.
Yeah. And we just deadbolt that door here, closed. Yep. All that area.
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, it's time for the best part. You know this is awesome.
Really tried to draw that line. One look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe? Oh, it's been a
So he is gonna hold it for us, though.
Yeah, he said
Okay.
no problem. He said he texted me, so I have his number and stuff.
Good.
So
I saw you out there working your magic. Cause I tried to get him. Like I was like, give me the purchase agreement today. You know.
Yeah.
I was at that point where we'll purchase agreement it, get
He
the letter
was
of
like,
intent, and
"Are you
we'll figure out the
serious?"
finances
Yeah.
later. At one point.
no, he knows. I kind of gave him a little spiel about you guys and been great, and we've been doing stuff. He gets it. He says he has no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, I said, well, keep showing him because I don't want to hold you up. I know how this goes, but at the same time, just let me decide because we'll make this real easy.
Right.
You know, like,
Baby.
What? We got a house?
Hello.
Oh, congratulations. We got a deal.
Congratulations, we got a deal.
195. We got her.
You're kidding me, Chad.
Nope, 195, man.
Holy shit! All right, I just put you on speaker. Everybody heard you. We got the family over. We're having a little.
I'm so glad you can't videotape me right now.
Dude, oh my gosh, this is like.
No.
Yeah, her parents are here. Lauren's parents are here right now, and Sherry, her mom, just said we don't even know what's going on because we haven't told them
See,
anything.
It's all about timing. It's all about good timing, right?
Dude.
Right timing.
Yeah, cool. We really appreciate it. We're so excited.
Yeah, you bet. Man. So no inspections. You know, they're going to as is for 195, and they're going to do a standard closing. So they'll pay up to date taxes and all that. And there should be a couple things that are shared and a couple things that they pay. So
Okay.
should be a pretty typical deal. So they're going to work on the purchase agreement, get that sent over. Then tomorrow morning we'll kind of finalize that. And let's talk tomorrow morning. So get my brother and I and mom. No matter what, you know, we'll work out a deal with you. But if not, worst case, you have one of your other investors pick up the pay and buy it right away. But we'll make it work. We'll figure it out.
Again, we can't thank you enough for just even coming by, looking at it, giving us some of your expertise, and just for helping to this point.
Yeah, I bet you
Right.
didn't expect to buy a house today.
No, but this is what I love to be. This is how life's all about for me. Like, I don't want to plan. I like this. This is what I like. You know, last second deals and stuff like that. It's all good, man.
It's when the best stuff
Love it.
happens. All right, well, I'll let you get back to your Arby's. I can hear it.
Yeah, I do. I got Arby's stuff. I hear you, man.
All right, thanks again,
Thanks,
Chad. We'll
Chad.
talk to you tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good.
Bye.
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 Surprise!
Surprise! What's the surprise?
It sounds like they
We're
bought
buying
a
a
house.
dog!
It sounds like you bought a house.
Essentially, yeah.
All right, so we'll wait to talk till dinner.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. That means you have to wait, too.
Not really, though. Like 2 seconds.
Okay, here, we'll be back in a quick jiff. Everybody say, see you soon.